Tension in the courtroom during the Lori Vallow trial. The only living child of the so-called doomsday mom taking the stand.
Vallow accused of killing her two youngest children. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum has been on this from the beginning. He joins us live in the studio today with the latest. Justin.
John, Christina, we've spoken to Colby Ryan multiple times during the coverage of this case. He's the older half-brother of Tylee Ryan and J.J. Vallow, who was adopted into the family. Colby stayed in the valley when his mom, Lori Vallow, moved the kids to Rexburg, Idaho, and since then he's been blindsided by tragedy, from the disappearance of his two siblings to when authorities discovered the children's remains in eastern Idaho. Colby testified and told the prosecution how Lori would not tell him where the family moved to. He said he would text his sister Tylee, but the responses just didn't sound like her. Gilbert police contacted Colby in late November of 2019, asking him if he knew where his siblings were. He had no idea, and Lori wasn't cooperating with law enforcement. When Colby called on Thanksgiving of 2019, Lori's phone was off. The next several months would be frustrating for Colby as Lori vacationed in Hawaii with her new husband, Chad Daybell. Even when Lori was arrested in February of 2020, she did not reveal anything about her kids' whereabouts. JJ and Tylee would be found dead on Daybell's property in June of 2020. And less than 2 months later, Colby and Lori spoke as she sat in jail. Now, this is bombshell audio heard in the courtroom today. We have requested the full audio of today's proceedings, and we expect to have that recording soon. Also, this afternoon, the court heard from two more witnesses, a special agent with Social Security that helped investigate, detailing how Lori allegedly collected benefits on behalf of her kids months after they were dead, and a Rexburg detective who broke down the financial footprint connected to Lori, Chad, and her late brother, Alex Cox, all named co-conspirators in the case. Live in the studio, Justin Lum, Fox 10 News.